Hi YouTubers, this is Susie now, and this is our ribs. I think they're done. They are done. We need to take them off. They're already drawn away from the bone. Ooh. They look delicious.
I cooked them.
They look delicious.
You should say that I cooked them.
Oh, my grandson cooked them. He's reminding me to tell you all. Because they look delicious. Look at this. Yummy in the tummy. Ooh.
Should we take them in?
Yeah. Yummy in the tummy. And then we have a salad that we've fixed. Honey, what's the matter with you? You've been doing that a lot lately. And we have a salad. We're going to put blue cheese dressing on it. And that's going to be our dinner. So, until next time, Susie now. Bob's sitting at the table. Okay.